reports, and resumes. MS Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program from Microsoft that organizes data in rows and columns, allowing users to perform calculations, analyze data, and create charts. MS PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint is presentation software from Microsoft that allows users to create and share visual presentations using slides. MS Access. Microsoft Access is a relational database management system, RDBMS, developed by Micros and included as part of the Microsoft Office suite. It combines the relational Microsoft Jet database engine with a graphical user interface, and software development tools. Shortkeys for MS Office. Shortkeys. Control plus A equals all select. Control plus V equals bold. Control plus C equals copy. Control plus D equals font changes. Control plus A equals middle or center. Control plus F equals find. Control plus G equals go to. Control plus H equals replace. Control plus I equals italic. Control plus J equals justify. Control plus K equals hyperlink. Control plus L equals left alignment. Control plus M memo trauma. Control plus N equals new page. Control plus enter equals next page. Control plus 0 equals open. Control plus P equals print. Control plus shift plus Q equals language changes. Control plus R equals right alignment. Control plus S equals save. Control plus T equals indent. Control plus U equals underline. Control plus V equals paste. Control plus W equals window. Control plus X equals cut. Control plus Y equals delete. Control plus Z equals back. Full forms of MS Office. Full form of computer. C common. O operating. M machine. P particularly. U used for. T technology. E educational. R research. Full form of keyboard. Key keys. E electronic. Y yet. B board. O operating. E A to Z. R research. D directly. Full form of mouse. M mouse. O operating. U utility. S selected. E equipment. Full form of CPU. C central. P crossing. U unit. Full form of RAM. R RAM. A access. M memory. Full form of room. R read. O only. M memory. Full form of CD. C compact. D disk. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share. Computer fundamentals from MS Office. Definition of computer. Computer is an electronic device that receives data and instructions, process the data as per gives the output. Features of computer. 1. Speed. Speed is the most important feature of computer. It can perform millions of instructions per second. 2. Storage. The data given to the computer can be stored permanently, so that it can retrieve at any later time. 3. Accuracy. Computer got 100% accuracy. Computer does not make any mistake. If something goes wrong, it might be the mistake of the programmer. 4. Tireless. Computer will not feel any moodiness or tiredness and it will do the same process many numbers of times. Parts of computer. 1. Primary memory. A. RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. RAM allows you to read and write. The information stored in the RAM is erased when the power off. This is the memory where user program and data are stored. Memory have the two types. Primary memory and secondary memory. B. ROM. ROM stands for read only memory. ROM is a permanent and fixed memory where you can read but cannot write. The information will not be corrupted when the system power supply is off. This memory cannot be used by the user. These meant for system use. The instructions are written into the chip at the time of manufacturing. 2. Secondary memory. This is also called as auxiliary memory. It is permanent store. We have the following secondary storage devices. A. Floppy disk. Floppy is a removable disk can store a small amount of data. To carry little information from one place to another place, nowadays floppies are not used. B. Hard disk. These are called fixed disks. Hard disks are fixed with the system and cannot be removed. Hard disks come in GB in size and stores enormous data. C. Compact disk. These are again removable disks and can store more data to carry. D. Pen drive. A small pen-like device which can store data in GB. The data can be copied into pen drive through USB part of system. Printer. Printer is an output device, produces hard copy of output. Printers can be divided into three types. Dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printers are widely used printers. They produce characters hitting wheels of the head to the ribbon. Dot matrix. Printers make noise. The printer's cost is very low. This an impact printer. Laser printer. It gives very sophisticated output, but printer cost is higher. It is a non-impact printer. Inkjet printer. It is a printer that produces the characters by spraying the ink on the paper. It gives good output. It is non-impact printer. Bit and byte. Every computer stores numbers, letters, and other special characters in binary form. The binary number system is exactly like the decimal system, but with only two digits. Bit. Bit is the smallest information in the binary system. It is an abbreviation of binary digit. Normally, a bit refers to 1 on, while a no bit means a 0 off. Byte. A byte is an adjacent 8 bits that represent particular character or symbol. Memory sizes, capacity. The size of memory is termed in terms KB, MB, GB, etc. 8 bits equals 1 byte. 1024 bytes equals 1 kilobyte. 1024 kilobytes equals 1 megabyte. 1024 megabytes equals 1 gigabyte. 1024 gigabytes equals 1 terabyte. 1024 terabytes equals 1 petabyte. 1024 petabytes equals 1 exabyte. 1024 exabytes equals 1 zettabyte. 1024 zettabytes equals 1 yottabyte. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share. MS Excel tables. Student marks lists table. S. No. Student names. Father names. Telugu. Hindi. English. Maths. Science. Total marks. Average. Grades. Pass. Fail. Rank. Formulas. Total marks equals sum. Telugu. Hindi. English. Maths. Science. Social. Plus enter. Average equals total marks, 6 plus enter. Grade equals if total marks greater than 400, if total marks greater than 300, B, if total marks greater than 200, C, plus enter. Pass, fail equals if, and T greater than equals 35, H greater than equals 35, A greater than equals 35, Maths greater than equals 35, Science greater than equals 35, Social greater than equals 35, pass, fail, plus enter. Rank equals rank, average, total average range, 0 plus enter. Bank balance table. S.no. Present date. Bank names. Account holder names. Account number. Deposit. Withdraw. Balance. Result. Formulas. Balance equals deposit withdraw plus enter. Result equals if balance greater than 350, available, not available, plus enter. Working on employee details table. S. No. Present date. Employee names. Salary. Total working days. Present days. Per day salary. Net salary. Formulas. Per day salary equals salary. Total working days plus enter. Net salary equals present days asterisk per day salary plus enter. Employee payroll details table. S. No. Present date. Employee code. Employee names. Basic salary, house rent allowance, medical allowance, traveling allowance, DNS allowance, gross salary, income tax returns, provident fund, life insurance cooperation, deduction, net salary, formulas. House rent allowance equals basic salary asterisk 2.10% plus enter. Medical allowance equals basic salary asterisk 1.96% plus enter. Traveling allowance equals basic salary asterisk 2.32% plus enter. DNS allowance equals basic salary asterisk 2.85% plus enter. Allowances equals sum, house rent allowance, medical allowance, traveling allowance, DNS allowance plus enter. Gross salary equals basic salary plus allowance plus enter. Income tax equals gross salary asterisk 1.70% plus enter. Provident fund equals gross salary asterisk 2.10% plus enter. Life Insurance Corporation equals gross salary asterisk 1.35% plus enter. Deduction equals sum, income tax, provident fund, life insurance corporation plus enter. Net salary equals gross salary deduction plus enter. Birth calculation table. S. No. Names. Date of birth. Present date. Day. Month. Age. Extra months. Extra days. Total months. Total days. Formulas. D equals text. Date of birth. DDDD plus enter. Month equals text. Date of birth. MMMM plus enter. Age equals dative, date of birth, present date, y, plus enter. Extra months equals dative, date of birth, present date, ym, plus enter. Extra days equals dative, dated of birth, present date, md, plus enter. Total months equals dative, date of birth, recent date, n, plus enter. Total days equals dative, date of birth, present date, d, plus enter. Financial problems table. S. No. Present date. Person names. Amount. Interest. Months. Monthly interest. Final amount. Formulas. Monthly interest equals amount interest plus enter. Final amount equals months monthly interest plus enter. Movie tickets table. S. No. Present date. Person names. Theater names. Movie names. Total tickets. Sale tickets. Ticket rate. Empty ticket. Net cash. Formulas. Empty ticket equals total ticket sales tickets plus enter. Net cash equals ticket rate empty tickets plus enter. Partnership details tables. S. No. Present date. Business names. Ravi share. Ganesh share. Total investment. Total profit. Ravi profit. Ganesh profit. Ravi investment. Ganesh investment. Formulas. Ganesh share equals 100% Ravi share plus enter. Ravi profit equals total profit Ravi share plus enter. Ganesh profit equals total profit Ganesh share plus enter. Ravi investment equals total investment Ravi share plus enter. Ganesh investment equals total investment Ganesh share plus enter. Attendance monthly sheet. Formulas. Present days equals county. Select 1 to 30 day. P plus enter. Absent days equals county. Select 1 to 30 days. E plus enter. Working days equals total days absent days plus enter. Total salary equals total days asterisk present days plus enter. Net salary equals total days asterisk working days plus enter. Inventory stock details table. S. No. Present date. Person names. Products. Units. Quantity. Each one price. Amount. GST 5%. Net amount. Formulas. Amount equals each one quantity plus enter. GST 5% equals amount asterisk 5% plus enter. Net amount equals amount plus GST 5% plus enter. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share.